What's up, you guys? It's Hannah. Welcome back to my channel and welcome back to another vlog. Today's vlog is going to be a really fun one because we are going to the beach today. I'm having a little solo beach day. It is hot today. I think the high, I don't even know. It probably isn't like hot to everyone, especially if you live in a place like Arizona where it's 120 degrees. Anyway, the high today is 93. I'm going to the beach. Now you may be wondering, and I'm saying this as May because if you know that New York City has beaches, then disregard all of this. This is for the people that don't know that. When I moved here a couple years ago, I wasn't moving here with the intention of being able to like go to the beach in the summer. I didn't see New York City as a beach town, which it's definitely not, but it's a city that does also have beaches. The beach I'm going to is in Queens. I just have never been to a New York City beach before, and it's crazy because this is the closest one to me, but I just haven't been. I've been planning on going. I want to do a little solo day, and today is the day. The weather's perfect, it's sunny, it's hot, and we're gonna go to the beach today. Before I go, I just packed my beach bag. This thing is freaking huge. I have everything in here. Ludicrously capacious bag.
She's brought a ludicrously capacious bag.
I am an over preparer. If you watched my last video of my what's in my tote bag, you would know I'm an over preparer, and it does not stop. It's all the time. So this is my beach bag. I want to do a little what's in my beach bag for solo beach day in New York City. First of all, this bag is from CB Positano. Got it in Italy. It's stunning, beautiful, huge. It's like a duffel, really. Like I'm basically just carrying a duffel bag, which is why I said it was ludicrously capacious. Anyway, I have my bag of shit that I showed in my last video, but I did add a couple of other things specifically for today. I put in some deodorant in case I get in the water and then need to reapply deodorant for obvious reasons. Scrunchie and an extra pair of underwear so I can change out my bag. Oh, I need to get a Ziploc bag so I can put my bathing suit in it so I can separate from everything else. I'm gonna do that now before I forget. Okay, got it. I feel like I'm talking a mile a minute. Like I really need to relax and slow down. So that's that bag. The next bag, this is actually that other bag's twin. Came in a pack of 2 from Amazon. This is my sunscreen bag. So we've got our face sunscreen, the Super Goop Glow Screen. I'm wearing that right now. Then I have my Aquaphor with SPF 30 for my lips. Of course, my body sunscreen, Sunbum SPF 50 spray. I have 2 towels. This is my beach towel. This one's from Brooklinen. I hope it's long enough. I genuinely don't know. Bringing this one to lay on, and then I'm also bringing a hand towel in case I need to wipe my hands off, because I feel like once I've laid on this and it's all sandy and wet, I don't want to wipe my hands on it if I like need to, I don't know, wipe anything on it, I guess. So I'm bringing a little hand towel also for that purpose. I have my flip-flops. I don't wear these on the subway just because I would rather wear closed-toed shoes on the subway, so I'm wearing my sneakers there, and I'm just gonna put these on when I get there. My water bottle, I wanted to fill this with ice, but I forgot to make the ice that fits in this water bottle, so it's just water, but it's better than nothing. Of course, my sunglasses, each essential, you already know. I have 2 hats. I didn't know what I'd be feeling. I have this little one. I don't know if I wanted to like take a picture or something, and I thought that a bucket hat could be cute for that. And then I also just have a regular ball cap. This is my friend Lauren's merch. I need something neutral because the bathing suit I'm wearing is hot pink. I'm gonna bring my camera, obviously, and my camera bag with an extra battery, and then I have my Kindle. This is why I love the Kindle. I prefer a paper book, but in times like this when I'm on the go, this is just so much lighter, smaller, easier for on the go. So I have a book loaded on here, Love in Other Words by Christina Lauren. I'm very excited. I feel like the beach is a great time for reading, especially when you're by yourself. And then I have a couple tripods, one for my phone, one for my camera since I'm going by myself if I want to set my camera on my phone up. That is my what's in my beach bag. She is filled to the brim. She is low-key heavy, but it's all right. I'm just gonna be sitting on the subway for like an hour. That is the best part about this. I can get to this beach via the subway. It's $2.75, like an hour, a little over an hour. I'm really excited. This is an adventure I have not gone on before, but I wanted to bring y'all along with me and we can do it together. Doing things for the first time, even though I'm used to doing things alone, can still be a little intimidating just because I'm not familiar with everything and like I don't know the area well since I haven't been there before. So even as somebody who does do a lot of things alone, I still get like a little bit nervous doing something new alone for the first time. But the only way to get comfortable doing things, specifically also alone, is to do them. So you kind of just have to do it And that's what we're doing. It's gonna be a really good day, beautiful. I'm gonna find a cafe when I get there, get some food, get a coffee, and we'll go from there. One more thing. This is my outfit for getting on the train. I'm gonna put my sneakers on. I have my little jean shorts, top, and then I came up with this idea. This is a sports bra. My bathing suit is under the sports bra. The top ties are not tied, they're just kind of wrapped around, but when I get there, I can easily just tie them around my neck and then take the sports bra off and the bathing suit's under it. And then when I am leaving, I can just wear this sports bra under my t-shirt on the way back because I'll put my bathing suit in the bag. I wanted to tell you my little plan for that because I engineered that up this morning. Oh, my air conditioner's coming back on. Perfect timing. Let's go to the beach. Hello, I'm back. I just took the fastest makeshift post-beach shower ever because I forgot earlier I have an event today at 6. I think we're trying to get there at 6:15, 6:30. It's currently like 5:35. I got home, showered really fast, just slicked my hair up. I didn't have time to wash my hair, which I wanted to because I got in the water and it's all salty. But my solution to that was just to slick it back because that's my solution in pretty much every situation. So now I have that. I'm throwing some makeup on my face and I'm gonna probably just put on a sundress. We're gonna be out the door. I'm going to a Givenchy Beauty event at Modern House Soho. I completely spaced and forgot that that was tonight. Amanda invited me to go as her +1 and I guess I forgot, well I must have forgot to put it on my calendar right when she invited me, and if something is not on my calendar, it does not exist to me. I am just gonna get ready as fast as possible. Oh, I need to wet my beauty blender. Oh my gosh. I want to wear sandals, but my toenails look like shit. It looks like some of the polish came off. I'm assuming at the beach because it didn't look like that before. I don't know. I don't know what to do. It looks gross and crusty. Just like the rest of me right now. This e.l.f. stuff saves me every time. The e.l.f. Halo Glow Liquid Filter. I swear. This stuff is so good. Worth the hype. Bought it because I saw it was a dupe for the Charlotte Tilbury Flawless Filter, which I've never even owned. But I bought the e.l.f. one for like $14 or whatever it was at Target, and I really like it. It whips me into shape so quick. I'm also sorry that I didn't really talk much, really at all, at the beach. I was just in a state of complete peace and quiet. I loved today. Today was perfect, beautiful, the most amazing beach day. We had a breeze. I went in the ocean. I have found lately that I love getting in the ocean and like diving into the waves. It just reinvigorates me like no other. So I did that and I felt so good. I just had such a nice day by myself and it was really quite easy to get there. I just don't know how I don't do that more or how I have never gone before today, but I'm really glad that I went, especially by myself, to show myself that I could do it. I knew that I could do it. I just sometimes need to like prove it to myself by actually just going. So that's what I did and I am so happy that I did. It was an amazing day and the day's not over yet. I'm gonna continue this vlog. At first it was only gonna be a beach day vlog, but then I remembered that I have an event. So I'm just gonna bring you along to the event as well. I had a burrito for like dinner, I guess, at the beach. It was quite large, so I'm hoping that will hold me over for the duration of this event. And I don't know if there's gonna be food there. I'm not entirely sure what is going on because I am a +1, but I'm sure it'll be great. There might be like finger food, little small bites. Like halfway done. Just keep going, keep swimming, just keep swimming. I'm like out of this so bad. Okay, well, we're just gonna throw this away because she's done. I think I'm just gonna go try and finish my makeup as fast as possible and put my dress on, and I will show you my little outfit, and then we will head out the door to our next adventure. Here's the finished makeup. I think it actually turned out really good. My room is an absolute disaster. It looks like a tornado blew through it, but here is my outfit, hair, makeup. This is what I like to call my when in doubt outfit. This is one of my favorite dresses. It is a staple. When in doubt, I wear this dress. It's from Reformation. So cute. I have my little shoulder bag from Coach that perfectly matches these little sandals I got last year from Abercrombie. So when I'm in doubt, I throw this on. I know I'm gonna feel cute, comfy, confident. Everything matches nicely. It's been tested. Now I'm gonna call an Uber because I am rushing. I'm gonna go over to Modern House. I've never been there, so that'll be fun. Meet up with Amanda and see what we are gonna get ourselves into. waiting to see when everyone would realize that. We all see the camera.